What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you randomly stopped by my channel, please hit the subscribe button to help grow the channel and help me build bigger project cars. As you know, I'm trying to restore my foxbody 92 Mustang 5.0 convertible, and as you see in the prior videos, my rag top is filthy. It is dirty. Sometimes I get embarrassed to actually drive it around. So I either had two options when it came to restoring. Either one, buy a new one, which that was the first thing that came to my mind, or two, try to restore the old one. And I didn't know you can actually do that. I just thought like you had to buy a new one. So I did some research, and no, I am not sponsored by these people or the people I bought it from. So that's why please subscribe to help me buy the utilities that I need to grow the channel, and then like I said, just build bigger cars. So I bought this stuff from the chemical guys, but I went through LMR to buy it because that's where I go all the time, is LMR. It's called the convertible cleaner. I just got the package. I'll show you everything that comes with. I bought the package, so I'll show you everything that comes with the package. So it comes with microfiber towels. It comes with a convertible top cleaner spray, and it also comes with the UV reflective. It helps make it last even longer, and then it comes with a brush. So I'm really excited trying this out. I gotta go do some errands real quick with Danny, knock that out, and I'm gonna come back and give y'all like a before and after picture, and I'll do a little time lapse of like me cleaning it as well. So I'm gonna take care of some little things real quick, and then I'll be right back with y'all downstairs. So here we go. Okay everybody, so I got the top cleaner. So basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna spray it a little bit down, come back with the scrubber, and brush it down. As you can see, I already did a little patch right there. It shows you this crap works. And when I get done with that, I'm gonna come back over with a repellent, and that's gonna help it with the UV lights, and also gonna repel water as well at the same time. So that's actually pretty nifty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then I was thinking about doing 2 coats of the cleaner, but I decided to just keep it at 1 and do the UV protecting, but like maybe in a month or 2 come back and do it all over again, just so I could get any more buildup. But as you see, it's already a huge difference. It's insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. And just so you know it's working, as you see, going up and down, you see this brown stain marks. That's how you know it's working. Come back over the towel. Shit. And swipe it off. And that's the towel. That's what it looks like now. Holy crap. It's black completely now. I'm also gonna go clean the brush real quick. I'm gonna come back with a second coat because there's these spots that I actually missed. So second coat's good, especially how bad it was. So, and now I gotta change the battery as well, so I'll be right back. Okay, so before I actually go back outside, I'm gonna clean the brush because as you can see, it has a whole bunch of crappy buildup. So I'm gonna clean that, and get ready for the second round. I'll show y'all what comes out of it as well. That's how you know you did a good job. See all that brown stuff coming out of the brush? That's just years of build up, man. That's insane. Golly. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this brush. I didn't let it dry out for a bit downstairs. Let that dry out and come back with a second coat. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I am, because like I said, with that dirty towel, missing spots in the brush, it got really dirty, so it didn't really do a full-on good clean. So I'm gonna let the brush dry, and once the brush dries, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the job. So see y'all in a few. Alright everybody, so I finished the first coating. Now I'm coming back with a second coat just to make sure everything's all good. As you can see, I already got some of it and it's still dirty, so hopefully the second coat does its justice. And I'm gonna come back over it with the repellent. Hopefully that's it. Alright everybody, so I finished the first coating. Now I'm coming back with a second coat just to make sure everything's all good. As you can see, I already got some of it and it's still dirty, so hopefully the second coat does its justice. And I'm gonna come back over it with the repellent. Hopefully that's it.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig in?
Okay, so now round 2 of the cleaning the top is done. Now I'm coming back with the repellent. It's gonna help it with the UV lights, and it's gonna help it just stay freshly brand new. Supposedly it's supposed to keep up for about 6 months, but we see you just need light spray, so I'm gonna knock that out as well.
Deeper now. I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Alright guys, so I got done spraying the spraying the repellent. At first it wasn't working, but now the spray actually worked, so I got over the head. As you saw at the beginning, I actually wiped it down. Not supposed to do that, you're supposed to just spray it. Corrected myself the second time. Just want to add a protective layer, 2 coats, whatever, it's cool. So now we let that sit for about 20 minutes. We're gonna come back downstairs after 20 minutes and have my roommate Danny, you know, because he's seen this when this thing was musty and rusty. So we're gonna get his first impression too, what he thinks about the material, how it did. So we're gonna go back upstairs, chill out for about 20 minutes, and go right back down, see the repellent actually work, so that'd be pretty cool. So okay everybody, so this is Danny's first impression of what the car looks like. Oh, you're just gonna wait till we get down there? Good boy. Like the dog's just running this way.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I did.
Brand new?
Yeah.
Or almost brand new.
Almost. And the repellent kind of got it bad.
Yeah, no, that's... Holy
For a while.
That looks way better.
Yeah, dude.
Crap, dude. It actually looks black.
Yeah, it does. Now the car actually looks 10 times better now.
Honestly, yeah.
Now the real question is, hold that. I'm gonna get this
Does
too.
it repel water?
Yeah, to see if it does. You got it?
Yeah.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Top.
Better.
Yeah. Slut.
Yeah, it's pretty... Yeah.
Probably do his
For the most
justice.
part.
Yeah, he probably do his justice with the if it rains, it's not really being direct on top of it. Dude, it looks smooth.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good shit.
Yeah. That's it. So that's gonna wrap up the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. That's what's gonna be important. And that's gonna help the channel grow because that's something I really need. I should have another project car coming up here in a couple months. Not even a couple months, maybe sometime further down the line. But I am looking at my second project car already. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. The boys out.
You cashed in on my promises. You know